Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to resolve a common issue that may arise when running the diagnostic utility on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This typically happens when the tool reports there are settings that might be blocking the connection. Let's get started. First, open the search menu and type Control Panel. When the best result appears, click on it to open the Control Panel. In the top right corner of the window, locate the View By drop-down menu and select either Category or Large Icons to make navigation easier. Once adjusted, scroll down and select Windows Defender Firewall. In the Windows Defender Firewall window, click on Restore Defaults on the left-hand side. A new option with the same name will appear. Select it to reset all Windows Defender Firewall settings to their original state. A warning message will appear indicating that some applications may stop working. Confirm the reset by clicking Yes. After completing the firewall reset, close the window and open the search menu again. Type CMD, and when command prompt appears in the results, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by the User Account Control, click Yes. In the elevated command prompt window, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter to clear the DNS resolver cache. A message will confirm the successful flush. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter to reset the winsock catalog. A notification will inform you that a system restart is required to complete the reset. Finally, close the command prompt and restart your computer to apply the changes. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.